We are based out of Parwanu, which is a small town in Himachal Pradesh. Back in 2021, we were just getting out of COVID. We had taken a hit on our India sales, but we wanted to explore more markets to get our revenue going. So we have gradually grown our business from zero to about 500,000 of sales. It's a huge achievement for us that a product which is manufactured in a town with a population of 5,000 is being a bestseller in Amazon US and being purchased by customers in New Jersey and New Florida. Back in 2018, there were a bit of difficulties in terms of getting customs duties and all of that stuff. Things have changed in the last 5 years. Exporting is now easier, where we've been getting the support in terms of shipping as well as of paying our customs duties. Amazon's global selling team has been very helpful in getting on to the geographical locations where we could store our products, which would help our fulfillment done in about 24 hours or so to get to our prime customers. So we are very excited for our first global holiday season. What we have seen in the past is that if you are aligned with your account manager and you're performing well on your ads and the inventory is in shape, you'll do very well on Amazon.